What's up guys? Today I have some glass screen protectors for the iPhone XR. I got these from Amazon for about $8 and it's a 4-pack of glass screen protectors. Brand is Sparin. So we'll go ahead and take off this plastic layer so we can see the features. The main features here are 9H hardness, HD clear, anti-scratch, waterproof, and bubble free. Inside we have a installation guide thing, which I'll show you how to install these. We'll put one on my phone. Installation kit, and then individually wrapped screen protectors. So we're just gonna grab one of them. Inside this installation kit there is a installation manual, which is gonna have your instructions on putting the screen protector on, cleaning cloths for the screen, a little microfiber cloth, a little dust scraper thing, dust absorbers, which are just stickers that you can pick up the dust with. All I ever use for doing this is a microfiber cloth and the screen cleaners. This is called an aligning tool. So what you're gonna do is put it over the phone like that, and it'll allow you to just set the screen protector in there so you don't mess it up. First off, you're gonna wanna wipe the screen down with the wet cloth. Then you're gonna take a microfiber cloth and wipe it down. And you want to make sure there's no speckles of dust. Now we're going to set this right on the screen. It'll push tight onto the phone. Then all you got to do is peel the plastic off of the screen protector, push the glass all the way to the top of the alignment tool, and then drop it down. Then you push down. I like to push down on it with the microfiber cloth. And there we go. Now we have extra screen protection. It doesn't go all the way because the end of the glass is kind of curved. But I'd say it looks pretty good. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure to go check it out. There'll be a link here in the description to go to my channel, check out my other videos, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.